Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you day 9 little whale location and Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For day 9, we need to find this pink flash whale, and I'm going to show you the exact location of the pink flash whale. So guys, you're going to go to the Whalefall Canyon and go to the coral way, and then you will find the pink splash whale on the top of this coral. And let me show you on the map. It's right here. And then don't forget to take a photo of it. Click your camera and click the camera button to take a photo. Okay, finally I found the pink splash whale, and now it's time to find the bubble. Okay, the shell bubble is here. You're just going to swim up and you'll find this shell bubble. It's located here, and I'm going to chase it. Okay, done. I got the pink flash whale. Okay guys, and that's how you can find day 9 little whale location in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!